fit the bill.
Richard Elvin, thanks so much for talking to us. Thank you. Richard Elvin, UKIP, European election candidate there. Now, yesterday we discussed behaviour and etiquette at swimming pools, all based on Ellie Mae O'Hagan's Guardian column, complaining about a minority of men who dominate the lanes to the detriment of other pool users. Funny how some items like this touch a nerve. We had a big response to that. Not all of you thought it was so clearly a gender issue. After 20 years' experience, I sense men are the worst, one of you said, but I cannot take all the blame. That was Martin. He seemed to have suffered the annoyance of a woman blocking a turn at Cheltenham Pool recently. Rita thought there's actually an age divide as much as a gender one, with more senior swimmers proving oblivious to common sense, manners, and their actual swimming abilities. And Roger wrote to say, to redress the balance, do a piece about men in yoga classes. At the risk of gross generalisation, women are more supple and flexible than men.
What the fuck was that?
You wait for the traffic when the cars are on your side.
You don't enter. You don't enter until your way is clear.
It was fucking clear.
The guy had already entered. You were down there.
Fucking clear.
Don't be a stereotypical Audi driver, mate.
Give me a
Jesus
motorcycle.
Christ.
Boring swat.